Hello students, today we are going to discuss the equation of parabolic arch. Now a parabolic arch is shown here whose support A and B are hinged and is having a uniformly distributed load of W kilonewton per meter and is having a central rise of H meter and the span length of L meter. Now for finding the equation of parabolic arch, we need to determine the support reaction, that is VA, HA, VB and HB. Now for finding the VA and VB, we need to apply the equilibrium condition. First equilibrium condition is summation of all forces in vertical direction is equals to 0, that is summation of y is equals to 0. Now two vertical forces, that is VA and VB, are acting in the upward direction and one force of UDL, that is W into L, is acting in the downward direction. So we had written the equation as VA plus VB is equals to W into L. That is our first equation. Now our second equilibrium condition is sum of all the horizontal forces is equals to 0. Here only two horizontal forces is present, that is HA and HB, and both are acting in opposite direction. So we can write this as HA is equals to HB, which is our second equation. Now third equilibrium condition is moment about any point in a structure is 0. So we had taken moment about A equals to 0. Now by solving the moment about A from the right hand side from support B, we will get VB into L with a negative sign. Negative sign is because of anti-clockwise movement of VB. So we can write it as minus VB into L plus W into L by 2. Because of this UDL, we will get a movement in the clockwise direction of magnitude W into L by 2. Now by solving this equation, we will get VB is equals to W into L by 2 in the upward direction. Now we will use our fourth equilibrium condition, that is moment about internal hinge C is equals to 0. That is the fourth equilibrium condition. Now by taking the moment from the support B, we will have the equation as VB into L by 2. VB into L by 2, that is shown here with minus sign because of anti-clockwise movement, plus W into L by 2 into L by 4, which is acting in the clockwise direction. So its sign will be positive, plus HB into H. Because of this HB force, there will be a clockwise movement of magnitude HB into H. So we had written it HB into H. Now by solving this and putting the value of VB in this equation, we will get HB is equals to WL square by 8H in the leftward direction. Okay. Now by using the equation 2 and 4, we will get HA is equals to WL square upon 8H in the rightward direction. Now from equation 1 and 3, we will get VA is equals to W into L by 2 in the upward direction. So VA will be equals to WL by 2 and VB is equals to WL by 2. Similarly, HA and HB will be equals to WL square by 8H. Okay. Now for finding the equation of parabolic arch, we need to consider a section XX on the left hand side of C. So we had considered a section XX as shown by yellow line. Okay. Now we need to take the moment about XX from support A. We can also take the moment about section XX from B, but due to less force from A, we will go for the calculation of moment about XX from support A. Now the equation will be VA into X, because due to VA, moment will be acting in the clockwise direction, minus HA into Y. Because of this horizontal force, there will be an anti-clockwise movement of magnitude HA into Y, minus W into X by 2. Because of this UDL, there will be an anti-clockwise movement acting in this direction. So after putting the value of VA as WL by 2, HA as WL square by 8H, we will get the equation of MXX. Okay. Now at just left of C, it means that at this point at just left of C, moment is equals to 0 because of internal hinge. So we will use this relationship, that is moment at just left of C will be equals to 0. So we will put this equation, that is WL by 2 into X minus WL square upon 8H into Y minus W into X by 2 is equals to 0. We will get Lx minus L square Y upon 4H minus X square is equals to 0. Now by solving this, we will get the equation of parabolic arch, that is y is equals to 4hx upon L square into L minus x, where h is central rise, x is the distance of section XX from A, L is the total span length. So we can determine the value of y from this equation, that is 4hx upon L square L minus x. That is all about the equation of parabolic arch. Thank you very much, students.